Welcome to the Unclaimed Funds Revealed, the five-figure check side hustle. Hey, my name is Keith Jones, and I am the founder of Unclaimed Funds Revealed. Guys, I've been around unclaimed funds since 2002, when I actually worked for a realtor who went about unclaimed funds with a investor mindset. Learned a lot of things from them, but it wasn't until 2006 when I started working with my mentor, who really taught me the ins and outs unclaimed funds. I worked with my mentor for a couple years, and in 2008 I started my own company. So what is unclaimed funds? Well, I tell you what, the best way to explain what unclaimed funds is to first tell you how unclaimed funds originate. So let's say a house goes to foreclosure because of back taxes, and with the taxes, penalties, and fees, they owe $30,000. So what happens is when that property goes to auction, they're going to start the bid off at the $30,000 because the county want to make sure they get their money. So let's just say the winning bid was $75,000. Well, that $45,000, and sometimes it's called a surplus or excess funds, and that's the difference between what was owed on that property and what that property sold for. So how can I make money with these unclaimed funds or surplus or excess funds? Well, first and foremost, you have to understand that any surplus on a foreclosure goes back to the previous owner. Now, not many people know that. So who would have thought that after my house got foreclosed on, that I had some money coming back to me? And that's important because a thing called excheatment. And depending on what state you're in, it can range anywhere from 3 to 5 years. But if you don't claim that money within that time frame, that county get to keep that money, and it goes into their general fund, and they're able to use that money to fix the potholes, pay policemen, firemen, really whatever it is they want to do with those funds. As a professional finder, you can make up to 40% in finder fees. Let's just take the example that we just had, $45,000 of surplus from that previous example. Do you realize that that's $14,850 finding fee at just a 33%? So of course you want to know what's next. The first thing you want to do is get access to my free training. And in this free training, I teach you where to go to request these lists of unclaimed funds. Most lists in most counties are 7 figures. There is over $58 billion across the United States in unclaimed funds. There's over 3,000 foreclosures every single day, and $14 million in excess proceeds are deposited into unclaimed funds accounts across the United States. Give you the email templates you're going to want to use, give you what to put in the body, let you know what to put in the subject line. I'm gonna tell you where to go to request these lists. And then the second thing you want to do is join our Facebook group. I'm sure you're going to have questions. You can imagine how excited everyone is when they start getting these lists of 7 and 8 figures of lists of unclaimed funds. So you want to join that group. And then lastly, once you get your list, you're going to want to know how to monetize that list. You want to make sure you get access to the Unclaimed Funds Revealed 5-step blueprint. Again, I'm going to go ahead and congratulate you in advance. Click the buttons below, and I'll see you on the inside.